there's something powerful about the food we eat. For billions of people across the world, certain foods go beyond taste. They carry deep spiritual significance, shaping traditions, beliefs, and even entire communities. And while food is often seen as just sustenance, for many in Christianity, Islam, and Judaism, it's a symbol of faith, purity, and divine connection. But here's the catch: these sacred foods don't always overlap. Some of them are shared among these three religions, while others are strictly forbidden. Curious? Let's break it down. Christianity. Christianity's relationship with food isn't just about the bread and wine shared during communion. It goes deeper, tied to ancient practices that still shape how food is viewed. Think of the concept of fasting, where food is both a form of sacrifice and spiritual purification. One of the most iconic sacred foods? Bread and wine during the Eucharist, representing the body and blood of Christ. These elements are a constant reminder of Jesus' sacrifice, transforming something as basic as a meal into an act of reverence. Islam. Islam places a huge emphasis on the purity of food. The Quran lays out strict guidelines on what's halal, permissible, and haram, forbidden. Halal meat, especially lamb, is a cornerstone of Islamic dining, but it's not just about the meat, it's about the process. The animal must be slaughtered according to specific rules, honoring its life and the sanctity of God's will. Dates also have a sacred place in Islam, often the first thing eaten during Ramadan to break the fast. They symbolize nourishment, tradition, and connection to the Prophet Muhammad. Judaism. In Judaism, food plays an essential role in both religious observance and cultural identity. Kosher food is at the heart of Jewish dietary laws, governing everything from the types of animals consumed to how they are prepared. Challah bread, rich, eggy, and sweet, is an iconic Jewish bread, often eaten on the Sabbath to signify spiritual nourishment. And then there's wine, particularly during the Shabbat and Passover Seders, which carry profound religious meaning. But here's what's mind-blowing: pork, considered forbidden in all three religions. Across Christianity, Islam, and Judaism, pork stands as a symbol of impurity, and its consumption is not only prohibited but, in many cases, seen as an offense to God. So, why do these religions share certain sacred foods and yet differ so dramatically in others? Is it simply tradition, or is there something deeper at play here? Food, in its sacred form, is a vehicle for faith, a tool for connecting to the divine, and a reminder that what we consume doesn't just affect our bodies, it affects our souls. Next time you sit down to a meal, think about how the sacred foods of different faiths have influenced your plate. What's your sacred food? Could it be the bread you break every morning or the coffee you sip as you reflect on your beliefs? Let us know in the comments, and share this with someone who needs to understand how food ties us all together.